Are you feeling the pressure to snag your dream job ASAP, but you're drowning in a sea of competition? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The key to success lies in setting yourself apart with a winning application. With a little know-how, you can skyrocket your chances of landing that coveted interview. So, you ready to dazzle and conquer? Let's dive in and make this happen for you. As an executive recruiter and job search strategist, I'm going to guide you through how to develop a resume that demands attention and secures your spot as the top candidate. Do you think your resume is the ultimate masterpiece? Let's face it, the sole purpose of your resume is to impress potential employers and grab their attention. But let me tell you something. If you're not receiving at least 3 to 5 calls every week, regardless of how beautifully crafted your resume is, it's not good enough. You need to get it into shape so it starts landing you the job that you've always been dreaming about. The job market can be ruthless, and employers aren't messing around. Studies are revealing that recruiters spend just 6 seconds scanning resumes before deciding whether to toss or invite a candidate in for an interview. This is true. But don't worry, you can stand out from the masses and seize your chance. Let's make them remember you by dazzling them with your resume that cannot be ignored. In this series on resumes, I'm going to reveal how to write a winning resume that will get you noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help you land the job that you want. Today, I'm going to share one incredibly important thing that job seekers need to focus on when developing their resumes to grab a recruiter's attention. But first, my name is REIN, and for over a decade, I've been an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers to land the dream job that they desire. As a job search strategist, I focus on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income that they so richly deserve. You're here watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before everyone else, now would be a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. When it comes to writing a winning resume, every detail counts. Did you know that your email address can make a huge difference in the eyes of a potential employer? Using a professional email address is an easy way to make a positive impression and show that you're serious about your career. So, skip those embarrassing nicknames or inside jokes and opt for something straightforward and appropriate. According to recent surveys, 76% of hiring managers said they would be less likely to hire a candidate with an unprofessional email address. Think about that. Don't let something as simple as your email address stand in the way of your dream job. Take control of your professional image and make sure every aspect of your resume is polished and ready to impress. I have an expert tip I want to share with you. But if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. And there you can gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop that will show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. Because, as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you're losing money. I don't believe in wasting time. I don't believe in wasting money. It flies out the window fast enough. Okay, job seekers, listen up. I have an exclusive insider tip that will boost your chances of landing that dream job. As a professional in the job search industry, I have seen it all when it comes to email addresses. And let me tell you, nothing will turn off a potential employer faster than an unprofessional email address. You may think that using your childhood nickname or a quirky phrase is cute, but it won't translate well in the professional world. Trust me on this one. According to a recent study, 76% of human resources professionals said they have instantly rejected candidates based solely on their email address. So, take the time to create a simple, straightforward email address that includes your name. It's a small yet very significant step that shows you take your job search seriously and are willing to put in the effort to present yourself in the best light possible. And while what I taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on Inside Secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is REIN. I'm an executive recruiter, a job search strategist. I'm here to share those inside secrets to get you hired rapidly. Good luck in your job search.